The radio's not loud enough. You need to turn your radio up. You won't hear stuff then. The loud, well, it depends. Depends whether you get a lot of dash squeak. You get a lot of. It depends on the class of the vehicle, really. You know, your lower class vehicle, your cheaper range of vehicle, they come out of factories squeaking, banging, knocking. Typical noise on suspensions down to a link bar, something like that. But you do have weird ones. You have them where they sound like there's a mouse under the dash, and it's just where the flaps have just gone dry, flap motors for opening the heaters. You can have, literally on Mercedes, if you just grab the dash, it squeaks. You just get numerous faults with knocks and bangs and squeaks, and trying to get someone to describe what noise that the vehicle's making, it's just one of the funniest things that you've heard. I mean, some noises that come out of people, yeah, it's crazy.